Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan with Veteran Hardware. Today is more of a maintenance day, namely focusing on a PSU swap. Why? Well, bequiet was kind enough to send over their Dark Power 12 PSU. Thanks a lot, bequiet. Now, what wattage flavor did bequiet send over? Well, none other than the 1000 watt unit. Yeah, baby. Whoa! This titanium rated PSU is a beefcake for show. That means this PSU is over 90% efficient throughout the entire efficiency curve. So what does that actually mean? Well, the better the efficiency, the cleaner and more stable the power to your PC. Putting it simple. The Dark Power 12 has another trick up its sleeve that bequiet has baked into most of their other high-end PSUs. The ability to take 4 rails and combine them into a massive single rail via an included switch on a PCI bracket. I can see this being especially handy for those extreme overclocking sessions. Keeping the Dark Power 12 cool is bequiet's own patented frameless silent wings fan that virtually makes this unit inaudible. Aiding in cooling is a full mesh front panel with a redesigned funnel shape to help redirect airflow circulation. Construction of a bequiet PSU is nothing short of amazing, featuring active rectifier and a full bridge LLC along with 105°C Japanese capacitors, which is another testament of bequiet's attention to detail and quality. The cabling on the Dark Power 12 is bequiet's traditional black sleeved cabling. Though not as fancy as its Pro brother, having individually sleeved cables, this gets the job done just fine. Having a full modular design also helps with keeping things nice and tidy in your case, as well as only using the cables that you need at the moment. Alright, I'm gonna stop flapping my jibs, and I'm gonna install this in my daily driver, my AMD Ryzen 9 3900X machine. Let's go. Well, here we are a day later, and the unsung hero is nowhere to be found. Yep, I said it, the PSU is a unsung hero. The Dark Power 12 is installed. As you might have noticed, I swapped out the GPU for a 3090, and I left the flat black cabling. I really do honestly believe that the PSU is an unsung hero. If it does its job, it never is heard of again. Especially with these basement shrouds. PSUs are kind of at a premium right now, so this guy is retailing, looking at coming to market about May 1st. That's what Amazon said, for about $369. So a little bit of a hefty price point, but you're going to pay that for a titanium rated power supply. Guys, that's what I have for the bequiet Dark Power 12 1000 watt power supply. If you could drop a like and a sub, that'd be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.